guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 4-layered video on CapCut PC. So you're going to select videos of the same size. I'll just select the same video, and I'll just do the 16 by 9, and I'm going to transform it, and I'm going to put it at 50%. Then I can just place it on the left side. I'll actually use another video and try to see it's the same one, and then I'm just going to place it on the right side here. And I'll do this one, and then I'll put it at 50% again, place it on the bottom right. Lastly, we will use this video here, 50%, and then we'll put it on the left side. It is that easy. If you want to make it smaller, just turn it down bit by bit. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!